In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your database in WP Engine for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned WP Engine user or diving into it for the first time, understanding how to access your database is a crucial skill. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. To start off, you need to log in to your WP Engine dashboard. This is the gateway to managing all your website configurations, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard where you can see all the environments you have set up. Next, you need to select the site environment you wish to work on. WP Engine allows you to manage separate environments for different stages of your website's development, such as production, staging, or development. Click on the environment you intend to work with. This helps ensure that any changes you make are in the appropriate setting, preventing any accidental modifications in the wrong environment. Now, with the chosen environment open, navigate to the Utilities section in the sidebar. Here you'll find a link to phpMyAdmin, which is the tool you'll use to manage your database. Click on it. This places you in a position to delve deeper into your website data. Upon reaching the phpMyAdmin section, you'll see an option to launch phpMyAdmin. WP Engine provides an auto login link, which simplifies this process significantly. No need for separate login details, just a single click and you're inside. It's a user-friendly approach to database management and keeps things seamless. Once inside phpMyAdmin, there are several actions you can take to interact with your database. First, you can browse the tables. This view lets you explore the different tables and the data each contains, giving you valuable insights into your site's data structure. Another option is to run SQL queries. This is particularly useful if you're looking to perform specific data operations, whether that's retrieving specific information or making broad data changes. You can also edit content or settings directly in the database. This might be necessary for correcting errors or updating specific fields without having to go through the WordPress interface. But do proceed with caution. Changing database entries can have significant effects, so ensure you have backups before making any edits. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on accessing your database in WP Engine for 2025. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your site's backend data with confidence. Remember, always handle database operations with care to maintain your site's integrity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.